प्रण शांत बस.
प्ले कर ना.
Start.
करायचं का start? Good morning, everyone. We are from Anuradha Engineering College, Department of Information Technology. My project topic is predicting of car price. The group members are Pranita Murkar, Shital Gadkari, Akshay Sonone, and Vaibhav Borade, under the guidance by P.S. Ingre sir. Next. Content. Introduction, business problem and project purpose, data set, data cleaning, exploratory data analysis and statically summary, splitting data into test and train set, training model, linear regression model, random forest regression, XGBoost regression, confusion and reference. Introduction. For a long time, since being a continuous paradigm of transactions of commodities has been into existence. Earlier, these transactions were in the form of barter systems, which latter was translated into a monetary system. And with consideration into this, all changes that were brought about the pattern of reselling atom was affected as well. There are two ways in which the reselling of the item is carried out. One is offline and the another being is online. If offline transactions, there is a Mediterranean percent in which a very honorable to being corrupt and make overly profitable transactions. The second option is online, wherein there is a certain platform which lets the user find the price he gets for selling. Next, kilometer travels. We know that the number of kilometers traveled by a vehicle has a huge role to play while putting the vehicles up for the sale. The more of the vehicles has traveled, the older it is. Physical powers. It is the power output of the vehicles. More output yield better value out of a vehicles. Providing graphical comparisons to provide a better views. Business problem and project purpose. Predicting the price of cars. This is due to a several features that should be examined for accurate prediction. The purpose of this data science project is to develop a machine learning model that can predict the price of cars. User interface. Let's see. This is a view of project that is the car price prediction. So this application predict the price of car that you want to sell your existing car. So what you have to do, some basic information provided like select the company of car, select the model of car, which years of purchasing, fuel type, and enter the number of kilometers the car has traveled. Then we can going to predict the price. Then we can predict price on the same page.
The data set. This project used data set located at Kaggle. The data set contains 200 car information with 26 attributes. The data set contains some missing values that require data set cleaning to increase prediction, performance, and accuracy. Knowing the data set. The data set is consists 16 numerical variable and 10 categorical variable. Data set usage 14.7 KB memory. Look at the figure. By observing the figure, it shows clearly that some attributes have non-null values, but rest of them, some attributes such as normalized losses, number of doors, bore, stroke, horsepower, etc. has null values. That is some missing values present on it. To fill missing values in the data set in the data cleaning process. The data sets. This data set shows 26 attributes used in this project. Symboling represent to insurance risk level of car. The second attribute is normalized losses. It is relative average loss payment per insured vehicle year. These values are normalized for all autos within particular values classification. The third is make, is the brand of name of cars, and so on. Data cleaning. There are missing values identified as null, non-null in the dataset. Deal with numerical missing values with mean value and categorical missing values with the mode values. The dataset contain also outliers. These values or observation are different from other observation in the column. Outliers were identified from relevant columns and removed. Outliers would have positive or negative effect on the correlation of the data if not handled correctly. Look at the figure. By the process of data cleaning, after the process of data cleaning, the all attributes have non-null values. That is zero null values. All attributes have zero null value as shown in figure. As shown as figure. Exploratory data analysis. Statistical summary. In the exploratory data analysis, we would start with importing data set into Python environment using Python packages to read any data. Using Python pandas packages. Splitting data into test and train sets. The data set was split into training data and testing data. The training data is the data that would learn from this data. The test data is the data that would measure the performance of our models on unseen data.
Training models. There are two types of supervised machine learning algorithms, include regression and classification. Predicting price of car is regression problem. Different type of regression model can be implemented using Python scikit-learn. The scikit-learn is machine learning library. The training data set would be trained or fitted using three different regression models, include linear regression, random forest regression, exhibit regression. Linear regression model. Linear regression model work on straight line equation and predicted output data to this model is 95%. Root mean square errors metric 70-74. A lower value of root mean square error metric is preferable. Random forest regression. Random forest regression model is second model constructed for this project. It combines multiple decision trees in determining the final output. It or train the training data to random forest regression. Prediction accuracy score of this model 96.7%. Root mean square errors metric 17.52. Exhibit regression. Exhibit regression model is the third model constructor for this project. It uses series of decision tree in determining the final output. fit or train the training data to execute model. Prediction accuracy score of this model is 97.5%. Root mean square error matrix 1584. Conclusion. My performance different models, it was aimed to get different perspective and eventually compare their performance. This study its purpose was to predict price of each car by using a data set. With the help of the data visualization and exploratory data analysis, the data set was uncovered and featured at the last stage. Predictive models were applied to predict price of car in an order random forest linear regression execute. Next part hand over success money. Thank you.
This is our project car price predictor. This is my GitHub account. A project based on machine learning when by using GitHub. This is my project and this is link for predict car price. Welcome to Car Price Predictor. This app is used by used to predict a car. For selecting the company, we are selecting Hyundai car and our model is selling price. Select a purpose for purchase year, our fuel type petrol, and whether the kilometer of this car has traveled. When click on predict price, this is the price of for predict car. Thank you.